here. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this video, but I just want to showcase something weird that's happening with one of my Nintendo Switch Joycons. I went to clean it earlier, and now just connecting it to the Nintendo Switch, like if you put it in portable mode, like attach it to the sides, it just doesn't work at all. Whenever you detach it, it works fine, except it makes an ungodly noise. Like, I don't know if the microphone's gonna pick up. I'm gonna try and see if it will. Like, I don't know where it came from. It's like really bad sounding. I cleaned it, and then whenever I went back to using it, it was doing this. I just kind of cleaned it off with water and stuff, so I assume it might be like water damage or something, but I don't know. It's really, it's kind of scared me actually.